You have a staff that is not doing well in your business, do it morally right. It's not productive, but it do things very well, but it's not productive to your liking. And you still retain the staff for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years in your business and you're not going. Please fire that staff. Yes, fire the staff. Those staff that are not productive in your loading business, fire them. Don't keep them because they are morally right. Sir, this man, you don't need to steal. Don't need to steal. He's very sincere. He's honest. Yes, he fears God. Yes, all these are good criteria. Yes, but what you need now is productivity. Some persons can be godly, they can be, yes, they are not worthy a title, but that they are just godly, they fear God, they pray, they do things very well, but they're not productive. How to know if a customer, if your staff is not productive? Ask them, Alpha, this you're ironing, this you are washing, you're a washer, you're a secretary. Ask them about what they are doing. What are they bringing to the organization or to your company? If they want to just say, are they right now? Are they iron now? They don't even think after the boss to go and bring more customers to come to meet you. They don't even think how to iron things or to organize things in the business. No, that person don't even know what he's doing there. Ask the staff, what is your work? What is your duty in this organization? If his duty is only that one call, duty of I'm washing, I'm a washerman, or I'm a iron, or I'm this, I do pick up. If that is only duty is doing your only business, that person is not actually producing things in your, is not productive. What I mean is that the person is not productive. A productive staff is a staff that know 1, 2, 3 things to do. In case one is not available, it can navigate easily and then fit in. In case the washerman is not there, he can come and fit in. In case this one is not there, he can come and fit in. Yes. And you pay for that extra time. You must pay for that extra time. But if you don't do anything, fire the staff. Fire the staff. See, morality is different from productivity. If something is productive and something is morality, they are two different things. Don't attach them. Some staff can put earring in their ear, they can have tattoo in their body, they can do worldly tie, yeah. But they are doing the things that they are giving you the vibes your business need. Those one, empower them more. Don't be nice because I'm a Muslim or I'm a Christian. This person is a devoted person, is a church member. No. What you need is productivity. This is why many business fade away, because they have two bunch of people who are morally right, who are legally right, but they are not productive. They are sincere, they are honest, they are faithful, they are this and that, they are this and that, they maintain, they don't steal. But what you really need is productivity. There's some persons who don't steal, who don't say they put at home here, they braid their hair, but they give you what you need. Go for those ones, go for them. Go for them. Yes, go for them. Those ones, go for them and employ them and hire them in your business. They will give you what you need. And for those staff who are not productive, 1 year, 2 years, I see the same. They don't add any wisdom to your idea. They don't add, Oga, more do like this now. Oga, say, Oga, I pass I see this other like now. They have one unit board, they have one washer, they have basket, they have this and they have washing machine. They don't give you idea to think to innovate. Those staff they are good as useless. So fire them. Yes, I pay for free. Fire them. Once again, this is Palm Sunday Academy. What I mean by firing them, I don't mean just go and fire a sincere person who is working for you and is productive. If the person is godly and is productive and is morally right also, embrace them, empower them, increase their salary. But if they're not doing those things which you really want, and you are bankruptcy, you are only credit every time, and you know this stuff is a problem because say it's godly, it's by question, but you don't want to fire them, it will drain you. And when you fall down, they will go to work in another place. If I fall you down, fire him or her. You get him in now. That's how it is. Once again, this is Palms Sunday Academy. Palms Academy International is a brand that teaches you on what to know about the London business. From the beginning to establishment, we do cover. All you have to do is to give us a DM that you are interested. If you want to register in our academy, Palms Academy International, you can register in academy for a minimum fee, and we can teach you for the basic to the standard level of how you want to go about it. Or if you want to do your own business, you don't have any idea about the own business, about the chemicals you use, about things to do, give us a DM or write in the comment section that I'm interested. We'll get back to you. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel. Check Palms Academy International. There's some videos there that will help you to grow your learning business, or will give you ideas at the beginner what to do, what to expect, the challenges to expect, and how to overcome them. There's some video there that will help you. Subscribe to our channel, share this video, like it, and then save it for your use because it will help you. Once again, this is Palms Academy International. See you next week. Bye.